Yep, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again for another one of those things that I call a ride along. And I'm doing a ride along today with this here. This is Emeer by Lattafa. And this is supposed to be like a clone of Christian Clive's Town and Country. And I got this maybe a few months ago, and I sprayed it here and there around the house, whatever. But it's really a fragrance for the summer and springtime. So I didn't really get a chance to wear it. But the times that I wore it around the house and such, it felt like it was going to be a beast mode fragrance. So I was like, oh, I gotta check this out. So today it's going to be my ride along. Oh, look at that sprayer! Nice. Look at this. The oil sleek is left. Put it on the back of my hand. Oh my goodness, that smells good. Ooh, it smells good. And that spray is like a water hose, fire hose. And then let's hit the back of my neck and put one on the back there. And yeah, that's good. Light little sprays on the side. All right, so let's get right into it. Oh, I don't even have my watch on. Hold on a second. Let me get the time. So I'm back in, got my watch on, and it is right now 7:57. Lost probably about 10 minutes or so. And it's supposed to get kind of warm today. I think it's supposed to get up to like maybe 80 degrees. And right now it's 67 degrees. Oh, wait a minute. Is that right? No, 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 no. I'll take that back. It's 52 degrees. I don't know if that's going to come in. Got glare. But it's 52 degrees right now. So it's supposed to get up to 80 degrees. God, man, that's 30 more degrees. But anyway, ride along with me. Let's check it out. Time for a check-in. It's been a couple of hours, and I've been moving around a little bit, and the fragrance is still here. It's not. It's like a nice little small scent bubble around me. Like every time I move around, I'm catching whiffs of it, or if I put it up to my nose, I can smell it, or if I just wave my hand. So it's doing well so far. It right now is 11:23. So that's almost 4 hours. I meant to come in like 2 hours after, but I put it on almost 8 o'clock. I think it was like 7:57 or something like that. So that's almost 3 hours, almost 4 hours. So it's doing good. Right now, and I have been moving around a little bit today. So it is what it is. Right now, it is 72 degrees. I'll see if I can get that to show up. I don't think so, but it's 72 degrees, and just for sake of just giving extra information, today is a poor quality day for the air. We got a air alert system going on, so maybe it's because of the pollution, but the pollen count has been really high the past couple of days, so it could be because of that. So that could be part of what's affecting the performance of the fragrance. Just as a heads up, just extra information. But anyway, I'll give you another check-in in a little while. All right. Hey, what's going on, folks? So, doing another little quick check-in. Let me roll these windows up because it's probably a little loud. But doing a little check-in. It hasn't been that much longer. Right now it's 12:33 that came in, and the fragrance, it feels like it came back to life, even though it wasn't really fading that much. I feel like it looks dark in here, but it feels like it wasn't fading that much, but it feels like it came back to life, like it's stronger than it was like a couple of hours ago. And it could be because of the heat, heating up my skin or whatever, but just figure I'd come in and give another little update. And like I said, it's 12:33, and the temperature, well, in my car is 78 degrees. Let's see what the temperature is. It's 75 degrees. So yeah, it warmed up a little bit, and so yeah, it's gonna be a good one. This is gonna be a good one for the summertime. It's still spring now, but I think when the summertime comes around, it may even be too strong for the summer, but we'll see. All right, I'll give you another check-in a little bit. Hey, oh man, it's windy. Hold on a second. What's up, folks? I am back to do another check-in. Whew. I just came out of working out, got a good workout in, and this fragrance is doing its thing. It came back again, like it faded out, and then it came back with a different kind of smell. It smelled like a spicy wood, like a fresh spicy wood kind of vibe that it came out with. And now it's still kind of a fresh, sweet kind of vibe. The wood is gone. It's still a little bit spicy, but it's a different kind of spicy. It's more like a pink pepper spices, where before it was kind of like almost like a cinnamon or a nutmeg kind of spicy. So yeah, this fragrance is doing its thing. I think it's going to be a great fragrance for the summertime, and for the finishing of the spring, because it's working out. It's working out pretty good. The longevity of it is really good. But right now it's pretty warm outside now. Oh, I didn't stop my workout. Right now it is 79 degrees. Oh, goodness gracious. And it is 2:42. I don't know if that's coming in. Oh man, my fitness stuff is coming up, but it's 2:42 and 79 degrees. Feels a lot warmer than 79 degrees. Actually, my car is saying 84 degrees, so it does feel like it's 84 degrees in here, because I am sweating like crazy. But anyway, I'm rambling. So yeah, it's working out good. I'll give another update in a little while. All right, keep rolling with me. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day to be neighbors. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Traffic. Hey, all right, folks. So I'm doing a check-in. It is now 4:57, almost 5 o'clock, and fragrance it's a skin scent now. It's pretty close to the skin. It's not projecting or anything like that, but it's still doing its thing. I think it's going to be great for the summertime, and it's 78 degrees right now. So I'll check back in a little bit. I'm back in. I just jumped back in. My last little update was a little short, but I want to go a little more in depth. Right now, this fragrance has kind of like a sweetness, a fresh sweetness kind of vibe to it, but it's definitely a skin scent. It's not coming off my skin anymore. Maybe if I heat it up again, it may start coming off again, but yeah, it's pretty close to the skin. If I move around, I still catch whiffs of it, so it's a little bit stronger than just a skin scent. It's somewhere between the dry down and the skin scent, the base notes and the skin scent. So yeah, I am pleased with this fragrance, and I think this one is going to get quite a bit of wear, especially like on the days where I know I'm gonna be out for a few hours, so, and I know I have to move around a lot. I'm not going to be able to refresh. This is one of those fragrances that will last for a good amount of time. So yeah, I'm pleased with it. I'll do the wrap up. It's still early. It's been a whole day. It's 5:15 now, but it's been a whole day. So I would say that this is one of those fragrances that you could put on in the morning and you still have it on by the time you're leaving for work. So yeah, happy about it. All right, I'll give you the wrap up in a little bit. I am back to wrap this up. I was trying to wait. I was going to wait all the way until 8 o'clock to see if it lasted all the way through. But it's a skin scent, but now it's a skin scent and it's close to the skin. Like you actually, like before it was a skin scent a couple of hours ago. By the way, it's 7:02 now. So it's almost 12 hours. But it was a skin scent earlier, but I could still smell it in the air a little bit. Now I can't smell it in the air like when I'm moving around, and I smell it when I dig my nose into my skin or wherever I sprayed it. So yeah, Emeer. Lattafa made a beast with this one. This is Emeer's by Lattafa, and the notes. Let me get the notes. Put it over there. Hold on a second. All right, so I got the notes, and it's a lot of notes in this, and strangely enough, there's a lot of volatile notes, like a lot of the citrus kind of notes that's in this, which you would think that it would be a fragrance that doesn't last long, but it does last long. So the top notes for Emeer are, let me show you the bottle again. Emeer, they are lemon, bergamot, clary sage, and juniper berry for the top notes. The middle notes are white tea, sandalwood, cardamom, and olivine. And then for the base notes, we have ambergris, cedarwood, cashmere, and patchouli. So all those notes put together, it just smells like a fresh kind of spicy, not overly spicy. Let me get, yeah, the opening is like really bright, and it's all those citrus notes. It's like a lemon, bergamot, and you get a little bit, almost kind of like a sage kind of vibe to it, but it's a bright, and it has something that's sitting on it that makes it feel a little bit heavier. Maybe it's the sandalwood, but yeah, that's what you get in the beginning, and then it moves into, at one point of the day, it got to a point where it smelled like a spicy, woody, sweet, and fresh kind of scent, all those together. And I love the way this fragrance changes, but it's a great fragrance. If you're interested in it, I think they're not too expensive. And then the presentation for this fragrance, if I remember correctly, I think it had a light on it. It's a really great fragrance. So I can't wait to use this a little bit more often for the summer and the springtime. with these seasons coming up. And now that I think about it, I probably could use this in the fall, and maybe even in a winter day, one of those winter days that's not too heavy. So I'm gonna try this in the winter when winter coming back around. But right now, I'm working for the summer, the spring now, and then summer in a couple of months. Thanks for hanging out with me, riding along with me with this fragrance, Emeer by Lattafa. It's a lot better than it costs. You get more than your money's worth. All right, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Till next time, deuces.